Bro, I'm sorry. That I literally was like sauteing my onions and the the alarm went off. I tried to record a popsicle eating session the other day, but it didn't. Help me. I'm way too drunk for this. Help me. Help me. Help me. I hate it here. Okay, guys, also, so I got sunscreen. I literally haven't been wearing anything, and I've been burning in the sun for like 4 weeks. So we're gonna repair you guys know your skin replaces itself every month. So I'm gonna soak my face in water for 2 minutes every night. And all I do is every night I put before I go to sleep, I wash my face with Irish Spring. And I just put vitamin E on there and I just fall asleep. And now I have Black Girl sunscreen, so we're gonna use that. And you guys can watch my face. Well, it's gonna anamorph more because I'm gonna lose 30 pounds this month. So you guys are gonna watch me go like this. It's gonna be kind of intense. So if you're not ready for anorexia, bitch, prepare. We're gonna watch my puppy eat, but I'm not gonna eat. But my puppy, oh, this motherfucker is I'm gonna cook for him every night. Steaks, pork chops, the works. Oh yeah, he's eating good. Maybe we'll go on one of those meal plan diets and my whole channel might just transform into my puppy eats channel. Hi there. Hi there, friend. Are you still there? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm talking to you. I'm still here, even though you trying to get rid of me, but I'm still here. This mic is for me and me only.